Can we have our session chairman, Mr. Tarun Mishra, member CIDX committee and founder Covacsis India?
Good afternoon, all of you. I think the previous session was very good, and the topic was catalyzing, transforming, creating, innovating. So I think you guys are already transformed, already catalyzed, already created. So it's easy for us to moderate this one. So, what we are going to do is, in this session, we are going to focus on, hence, since you guys are already transformed, so we are going to focus on the realities of making it. That what does it take to execute it? What does it take to kind of make it happen? And the entire session we have conceptually divided into 3 constructs. One is all about the application, digital application in real life across manufacturing segment and supply chain. The second is all about the ROI part, because no solution is a solution unless it promises and delivers return for the business. So we'll focus on the ROI. These are the 2 things. And then the third is cyber security, right? How do we ensure that the entire landscape is secure, safe, gives confidence to industry to embark on, right? And not worry too much about the data security, data theft. So these are the 3 constructs. We have very esteemed panel here. You have already heard where they are coming from, so I will straight away go to the agenda. The context is that, we spoke about last session, spoke a lot about the digital thing. And we have to cover a lot here, so let me straight away go to Mithu.
Hello.
Mithu is from Entity Data and is heading India and APAC. So, to you, I want you, through you to understand, and I want audience to get from you that how digital technologies are disrupting manufacturing world, and what is the future trend. And I will keep a check on the time, so you feel free, you don't worry about time, I am worrying about time.
Okay, Tarun, thank you. And good afternoon, everyone. I think we know there are a gamut of technologies actually changing the paradigm of the digital transformation in the manufacturing. And the journey from the industry 3.0 to 4.0 to 5.0, there have been a kind of long journey. We understand what is the difference between the 4.0 and the 5.0. One is the cyber-physical system, another is the people-centric transformation. Now coming to the real question that what is actually changing in the manufacturing? Initially, in the industry 3.0, we did not think that machine can communicate. Machine has their own voice. Shop floor has their own voice. So the attempt has been to capture the voice of the machine, the voice of the shop floor, and connect them. We wanted to make the association of the machine, association of the process, and then we want to understand what they say. Where is the gap? Where is the bottleneck? Why the machine is not performing? And when the maintenance is required? If the maintenance is required, what is the reason behind that? So, in a sense, the data have been the god, the paramount god from machine, from the process. So we want to catch that. We want to transform the machine voice into the human voice, and we wanted to transform the shop floor. That is the reason in the entity data we have one of the branded offering called the software-defined manufacturing. Today, if you look at manufacturing, it's not just manufacturing. In the core, in the heart, actually, the software is there. It is driving everything, every aspect of the manufacturing. So, We have digital twin, we have computer vision, we have IoT, we have multiple technologies. But at the end of the day, the integration of the ecosystem and bringing them in the same platform and getting the effective kind of output of that technology to drive the manufacturing is basically the paramount aspect. So this is the way I think the technology is changing the manufacturing. Thank you, Tarun.
Thank you, Mithu. So basically what you are saying that if I see the future of manufacturing and the application of digital manufacturing is all about Twitter of machines, if I have to metaphorically say. Machine tweets. Machine says good, bad, ugly about itself. Machine says what they need, what they don't need, when do they need interventions. Machine says about quality. Machines can say about the cost of production also. Now all of it is the future trend. To begin with, we are saying today we are starting about data, connectivity, but very soon it results into a Twitter equivalent of machine. That's the future trend.